Morning, students. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A equal to 3, 5, 3, 0, 4, 6, 0, 0, 1. Here, first we write A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. A minus lambda I is the eigenmatrix or characteristics matrix. Then we can write determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. Determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. Determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0 is known as eigen polynomial equation or characteristic polynomial equation. Determinant A minus lambda I equal to 0. To find this equation, we can use one formula. That formula is lambda cube minus trace of A into lambda square. Trace of A into lambda square plus M11 plus M22 plus M33 into lambda. M11 plus M22 plus M33 into lambda minus determinant A is equal to 0. Minus determinant A equal to 0. Using this formula, we can easily find the polynomial equation. Here, trace of A is equal to, we add these diagonal elements 3, 4, 1. About 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. That is equal to 8. 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 8. Then calculate M11. M11 means minor of this element. Minor of this element, we avoid this column and this row. Then we get 4, 6, 0, 1. 4, 6, 0, 1. That is, when simplifying, we get 4. Then M22 for this element, we avoid this column and this row. Then we get 3, 3, 0, 1. The value will be 3. Then next M33 for this element, avoid this column and this row. Then we get 3, 5, 0, 4. That is 12. Then adding these three, M11 plus M22 plus M33, that is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 plus 12, that is equal to 90. Also, we can calculate the determinant of A. We calculate determinant of this matrix 3, 5, 3. That is 3, 5, 3, 0, 4, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1. The determinant of A is equal to 12. Above, we calculated trace of A, M11, M22, M33, then determinant A. Then, by applying in the formula, we get lambda cube minus trace of A. Trace of A is equal to 8 lambda square plus M11 plus M22 plus M33, that is equal to 19 lambda minus determinant A. Determinant A is equal to minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the characterization or characteristic polynomial or eigen polynomial. Lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 90 lambda minus 12 equal to 0. Solving this equation, we get the values of lambda. When we solve this equation, lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 19 lambda minus 12 equal to 0, we get lambda is equal to 134. The value of lambda is equal to 134. This 134 are known as eigenvalues. This 134 is known as the eigenvalues. First stage is over. Next, we have to find out each eigenvalues. For each eigenvalues, we have to find out eigenvectors. For 1, lambda equal to 1, what is the eigenvector? Lambda equal to 3, what is the eigenvector? Lambda equal to 4, what is the eigenvector? But this is the procedure to find the eigenvalues. Okay. First we find out the matrix eigenmatrix equation. Determine A minus lambda equal to 0. Determine A minus lambda equal to 0. To find out this equation, we use a simple formula. That formula is lambda q minus trace of A into lambda square plus m11 plus m22 plus m33 into lambda minus determined A equal to 0. Calculate trace of A. Trace of A, sum of principal diagonal elements 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 8. Then M11 46014, M22 33013, M33 3504, that is 12. Then adding this M11, M22, M33, we get 19. The determinant of this matrix, that is equal to 12. Substituting in the formula, we get lambda cube minus 8 lambda square plus 19 lambda minus 12 equal to 0. Solving this cubic equation, we get the value of lambda is equal to 134. Lambda is equal to 134. Next, we have to find out the eigenvectors. To find the eigenvectors, we write A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Here lambda is equal to 1, 3, 4. Eigenvalues are 1, 3, 4. Then A minus lambda I, that is equal to 3 minus lambda, then 5, 3, then 0, 4 minus lambda, 6, 0, 0, 1 minus lambda of x is equal to 0. First we take lambda is equal to 1. Take lambda is equal to 1. Substitute lambda is equal to 1 here. Then we get, when we lambda is equal to 1, we get 2, 5, 3. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2, 5, 3, 0. 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, 6, 0, 0. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. That is x1, x2, x3. That is equal to 0, 0, 0. Then this is a echelon matrix. We can write the equation as 2x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. The second equation, 3x1, 3x2 plus 6x3 is equal to 0. Here rank is equal to 2. Number of unknowns 3. Therefore 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 variable. Choose as arbitrary. Put x is equal to, x3 is equal to t. We choose x3 is equal to t. Therefore 3x2 is equal to minus 6x3. That is minus 60. Therefore x2 is equal to minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2t. x2 is equal to minus 2t. Then substitute in the first equation, 2x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. That is 2x1 is equal to minus 5x2 minus 3x3. That is minus 5 into minus 2t minus 3x3 minus 3t. That is 10t minus 3t, that is equal to 7t. Therefore x1 is equal to 7 by 2t. Therefore the eigenvector is the eigenvector is the first value x1 is equal to 7 by 2. First value x1 is equal to 7 by 2. You can write here x1 is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Then x2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Then x1 is equal to x3 is equal to 1. This can be, again we write it as 7 minus 4 and 7 minus 4 and 2. 7 minus 4 and 2. Therefore, the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 1, when we take lambda is equal to 1, the eigenvector is 7 minus 4, 2. Eigenvector is 7 minus 4, 2. Similarly, we can find the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to 3. We can find the eigenvector, and also we can find lambda equal to 4, the eigenvector. First, we find out the eigenvector based on lambda is equal to 1. The procedure is we put lambda is equal to 1 here, then 2, 5, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 0. This is echelon matrix. This is rank is equal to 2. Number of unknowns 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, one variable put it as arbitrary. Therefore, 2x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. Second equation 3x2 plus 6x3 equal to 0. Then x2 is equal to minus 2t. Then x2 is equal to minus 2t. Then by using the value of x3 and x2 in the first equation, we get x1 is equal to 7 by 2t. Then write the eigenvector as 7 by 2 minus 2, 1. That is 7 minus 4, 2. Then we can find the next eigenvector. Lambda equal to 3. Then we can choose next eigenvector, lambda is equal to 3. Then when lambda is equal to 3, in the matrix will be 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, 5, 3. 0, 5, 3. Then 0, 1, 6. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. 0, 0. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. That is 0, x1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0. Then we convert this matrix 0, 5, 3, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0. We convert this minus 2 into 0. This is equal to 0. By multiplying the third row by 3 and adding. Then we get this is 0. That is equal to x1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, equation is 5x1, 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0. The second equation is x2 plus 6x3 equal to 0. We get two equation. 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0, and here will be this is echelon form. Here 0, 5, 3, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, minus 2. First we convert this one as 0. This one as 0. 0, 5, 3, 0. This one changes to 0. Therefore, 0, then 27. Either multiplying the second row by 5 of 5 and subtracting from the first row. Therefore, 5 minus 5 0. Then 5 into 6 30. 30 minus 3 27. Then 0 0 minus 2. That is equivalent to 0 5 3, 0, 0, 27, 0, 0, minus 2 can be taken as 0. This will be 0. When we can write it as 27, we write it as 1. Dividing by 27, we get 0, 0, 1. Therefore, our equations will be 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. The first equation. The second equation is x3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x3 equal to 0, that implies x2 is equal to 0. One variable choose as arbitrary, therefore x1 is equal to t. Therefore, the eigenvector is 1, 0, 0. The eigenvector is 1, 0, 0. Therefore, when lambda is equal to 3, the eigenvector is 1, 0, 0. When lambda is equal to 3, the matrix will be 0, 5, 3, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, minus 2. Then first we convert this matrix into echelon form. To convert this matrix into echelon form, multiply the second row by 5 and subtract in the first row. Therefore, 5 into 1, 5, 0. 5 into 6, 30. 30 minus 3, 27. Then 0, 0, minus 2. Then convert this minus 2 to 0. Then we get 0, 5, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This 27. This row can be divided by 27. Then we can easily change this to 0, 0, 1. Then we get two equations, 5x2 plus 3x3 equal to 0 and x3 is equal to 0. Since x3 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0. Therefore, two variables are 0. One variable choose as arbitrary. Therefore, we can choose x1 is equal to t. Therefore, the eigenvector is 1, 0, 0. Then we can find one more vector, that is lambda equal to 4. One more vector, lambda equal to 4. When we lambda equal to 1, what will be the eigenvector? When lambda is equal to 4, the matrix will be lambda equal to 4, the vector will be minus 1, 5, 3, 0, 0, then 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. The eigenvector will be 0, 0, 6. Then 0, 0, 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3. Then x1, x2, x3, then 0, 0, 0. Then convert the first row minus 1 to the 0. But the minus 3 0. Therefore, the eigenmatrix will be minus 1, 5, 3. Minus 1, 5, 3. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6. 0, 0, 6. Then 0, 0, 0. Therefore, x1, x2, x3, that is equal to 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Then we can write the equation minus x1 plus 5x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. First equation. The second equation is 6x3 is equal to 0. x3 is equal to 0, therefore we get x3 is equal to 0. Then one variable choose as arbitrary. We can choose one variable as choose as arbitrary. We can choose x2 is equal to t. Since the rank is equal to 2, number of unknowns is 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, one variable choose as arbitrary. We can choose x2 is equal to t. x2 is equal to t. Therefore, minus x1 is equal to minus 5x2 minus 3x3. That is minus 5t plus 0. Therefore, x1 is equal to minus 5t. x1 is equal to plus 5t. x1 is equal to 5t. Therefore, the eigenvector is 5, 5, 1, 5, 1, 0. Therefore, this is the eigenvector when lambda is equal to 4. This is the procedure to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a given matrix. Okay, thank you.